Well, I tried to make a Nintendo controller out of a phone. My phone was too big, so I decided to make something else. I'll show you what it is. Decided to make it my garage door opener. Most people put Xbox 360s or PlayStation 3s in the back of their car or in their show car. I'm going to put a regular Nintendo in it. I'm going to tear out the back seat. I'm going to build a little wall, make like a 20-inch monitor. And I'm going to put a regular Nintendo in there and play Mike Tyson's Punch-Out at some car shows. I just wanted to show you my garage door Nintendo controller. Thanks for watching.